Hi guys, sorry for last video because we didn't do the tricks at the end. So this is the next video. So anyway, let's get on with it. This is Nutty Wolf 3000. So this is a fidget spinner collection. Ooh. So fidget spinners are the latest toys. Here is a pink one.
Here is a spiky, well, it's called the Ninja Fidget Spinner, and it looks sick in camera. Don't it, guys? Let us know in the comments.
We've got the red one. It's a bit battered up. It looks cool in camera though.
Yeah, it's battered up. This one's kind of battered up as well. Because I dropped it.
This is a really cool silver one.
Which is mine.
Yep. And it is a bit broken, so it doesn't spin for as long, but it looks cool in camera.
Yeah, because apparently, I got that from Asda, so here's the pink one. Apparently, someone dropped it on the floor, so the middle bits got stuck and it couldn't spin properly.
Sad.
What are you boys doing?
YouTube! Now shut up! Go away, please. A shiny pink one. It's
And we
pretty cool.
got two, and we got
3 more fidget spinners, and they are the cool ones.
Yeah.
This is glow in the dark. It has to be in the dark. It has to be in the light for about 2 hours, because it absorbs the light, and then
And we're
glows in
gonna
the dark.
and we're gonna sing a song for you guys at the end, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well,
And then here, and here we've got a pretty cool one.
Look at it. There's a rainbow one, and I got it from the pound shop, and it was like £6.
We're in Sittingbourne, by the way, so you probably don't know where that is. But now it's in a case, a battered case.
Well, anyways, this one was in the case as well. A nice, simple case.
And here, now we have the bit that you've all been waiting for. The Captain America fidget spinner. It's super rare. Well, it's not rare, but it is rare.
Look, you can hypnotise you as well.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Like, I tried to hypnotise myself and it made my eyes go funny. It was so weird, but cool.
Now we have some cool fidget spinners. This is my house, by the way, guys. Bring the fidgets, bring the fidgets. My fidgets. Okay. Put him here, put him here. Right, sorry for that delay, guys.
Okay, so
We've got our giant pile of fidget spinners here.
yo.
There aren't many, but it's all we could have.
There's like
There's 8 in total. 6 normal and 2 cool ones. So, time for some cool fidget spinner tricks. I like red, so I'm going to use the red. Oh god, this side.
Where? You're not in the camera, James.
Yeah, so. Wait. So get in the camera.
Okay, I chose this one.
Fidget.
Oh, it feels so
Fidget
weird.
spinner.
It
I know,
hurts
right?
Ow!
It feels weird on your hair.
And it hurts your neck when you look like
Right,
this.
now try to do it on the nose. Hi, Grace. Could you go? Now we have the nose. Try it on your nose.
You do it. I'm not doing it. I'm sitting up here. Okay, you can sit down. You're not allowed shoes in here. Grace, you're not allowed shoes in here. You need to take them downstairs if you're coming.
Sorry. Delay.
What works that well, James?
It doesn't work on my nose. Sorry, guys. Right. Now try. Now we both do it like this. So we
Okay.
go, then we chuck it in the air. Then we grab it.
Wait, I'll do it on mine.
3, 3, 2, 1.
We called
I
it.
missed it. I
You
called
missed
it.
it.
Yay!
That's not true. We missed it.
Now, try and. So we. Right, we need to catch this on camera.
Okay, ready?
Yeah?
3,
2.
2, 1. Catch.
Yo! I did it!
It failed. Well, I caught it. Well, he didn't.
Yeah. Now, time for the song. 3, 2, 1. I love fidget spinners from my head to my toes. I even like one spinning right here on my nose. I got one on my left, another on my right. I'll be out here spinning from the morning to the night. Yo, guys. Bye. See you in the next video, which should be in about 2 minutes.